Did you know, near Mysuru, there is a 900-year-old temple that disappeared underwater and was brought back to life again? This is the Venugopala Swamy temple, located near the backwaters of the Krishna Raja Sagara Dam. A stunning example of ancient South Indian architecture and one of Karnataka's most fascinating hidden places. This temple was originally built in the 12th century during the Hoysala period, the same era as the famous temples of Somanathapura. It was located in a village called Kanambadi on the banks of the Kaveri River. In 1909, when the KRS Dam project was planned, entire villages, including Kanambadi, were marked for submersion. By 1930, the temple and surrounding settlements were completely submerged underwater. For more than 70 years, this temple remained hidden beneath the reservoir, only appearing when water levels dropped.
The temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna in the form of Venugopala, the divine flute player and protector of cows. Before submersion, the main idol was safely moved to a nearby village temple. In the early 2000s, a remarkable effort began to bring this temple back to life. The restoration was led by the Kode Foundation, under the guidance of philanthropist Sri Hari Kode. Over 16,000 individual stones of the original temple were carefully documented, numbered, and reconstructed. Each stone was placed back exactly in its original position, preserving the temple's ancient design and architecture. The temple was finally rebuilt near Hosa Kanambadi, just about 1 kilometer from its original location. After years of effort, the reconstruction was completed in 2011.
The temple showcases classic Hoysala-style architecture, with intricate carvings, stone pillars, and symmetrical design, reflecting the craftsmanship of ancient Indian artisans. Today, the temple stands beautifully near the KRS Backwaters. During high water levels, the surroundings are filled with water, creating a breathtaking island-like view. And during summer, the receding water reveals the history beneath.
just a short drive from Mysuru, near Brindavan Gardens. This place has become a favorite for photographers, travelers, and history lovers. The story of this temple is not just about history, but about preservation, dedication, and revival. A temple that once disappeared underwater now stands as a symbol of timeless heritage.